So this is now Friday when we're in the Bay Area and I'm shooting with a good friend of mine, Danny Pack, and we just arrived to his warehouse. God damn.
I'm so scared.
Right. I think we should bring some extra fuses.
Is this all Voltex stuff, right? I think so. Man. I guess this thing's stupid fast too. My other videos of this, it was red. Ooh. Okay. The black is sick. Oh, and these are red barrels back here. Okay.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah. GTS on TEs. If it ever focuses. This thing's low. Dang, he's got my canvases up here. This was his GT3 GTR, his Viper, R8, which isn't here. But dude, look at this camber. I'll slam this thing in. Oh, with the carbon lip. Oh man, this thing looks way better in person. Holy crap. So today we're taking all three of these to an airport that Thomas is hooking us up with right here.
Wes, you ruined it. He ruined all of the footage.
Thanks,
both
Wes.
of us. Wes, come on, dude. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I got meth all over me.
Wow.
Let's fill.
Double block. Oh. What do you think, Wes? What is
Filling
it?
meth, bro.
Did you make this meth?
Cooked it up in my kitchen last night.
There we go.
This thing is
I know,
mad.
you changed shit so
Holy.
quickly, I can't keep up.
Very nice, very nice.
Nicely done, boy.
Come on, buddy.
Heavy. No, sir.
Very heavy.
Let him do it. I'll move the fry first then.
Oh my.
Oh, tight.
It's very precise. How's the clutch? Yeah, it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. Yeah.
Now we got Griots in. Mr. Woyshnis Media and the S2K. Bro, look at this. Woo!
How was the S2K?
Sick. Wow, it looks kind of high right there.
Well, yeah, compared to that guy.
They have like such similar front ends.
Make sure your back needs to be the
Here we go. Oh damn, big as hell, bro. Shit, that gimbal been working.
We're expecting that work.
I got him though. Ran into a little bit of a problem. The car just randomly turned off. This is the one I was most eager to shoot because I've never shot it before. It's badass. So Danny just showed up. We're gonna see if we can figure this out.
Didn't stall though.
Oh, okay, that's a positive.
Nice.
Now she just does this. I'm gonna go myself. He did the same thing.
Yeah, he tried for a while. So Thomas's reward for breaking Danny's S2K is he gets to drive the 458. Bastard. I think that's a rip for the S2K, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
damn. I was gonna help him, but he literally told me not to, so he wants the exercise. He hasn't been working out as much lately. Good shit, good shit.
On the hood.
S2K is running a little low on oil, so. Wow.
And then possible oil for the minivan.
Just in case? Yeah, good call.
Also, new face mask available now. Watch.com.
We're taking this to the warehouse.
Well, hey, one of those for the van. Thank you.
Sorry. He's preparing to miss the pour.
No! No!
God, it did.
God.
Oh!
That's terrible.
Sorry, Danny.
Okay, heading back to Danny's and it died one more time. Again, I get stuck not helping even though I want to. So S2000 seems to be down for the count. So now we're down to 458 GT3 and GTS with amazing parts on it. We're finally on the move, heading to the spot. Bunch of airplanes for us to park next to. Very nice. Tomas will let us know if we need to go somewhere else.
We made it. Without the S2K though.
Yeah, I guess these are pretty cool.
Yeah, but you see how low it is?
You know, some cool GT3 style cars. But as I was looking at those, look over here. I don't know what your Pontiac this is, but that's not what I'm worried about. I'm worried about what's behind the Pontiac. There's a freaking P40 in this hangar. A P40. What? That's way cooler. No offense, Danny, but World War II warbirds can't really top that. So we have all these planes, but I kind of want to get this airstrip back here in it, so I think I want to put them right here. I keep thinking that like all this silver right here is like curbage, just because it's like on the edge of a dark wheel.
But I never addressed it, so.
Just casually fell off the building.
Yes, sir. Just you know, just meetings.
How the hell did Wes end up on a motorcycle? Oh God. He said, I'm gonna do a wheelie.
No?
Sure.
Walk over there?
Yeah. Just makes it easy.
Bye, Tomas.
Let's go grab
458 before we run out of light.
Hey, what kind of plane is this? A what? BC3?
DC3.
Ah, DC3. Big guy. Sun's going down.
I'm going. Yep.
Damn, son. That sounds good. Wow.
It looks unsafe, but it's really not.
Nice.
Nice.
Yep, we just finished up the last shot, and we're done. Woo. Thanks, guys.
Hi, loser.
Hey, hop in! Mom said no. Okay, almost done. We told the owner of the airport that, or someone told her that I like airplanes, so she's showing me something.
So we have P51. He restored that Alfa Romeo.
I love your table.
P40 Warhawk. Little 55 Pontiac. And then our little official pace car.
That's a good Miata swap, right?
Yeah.
A good what?